Zee Nxumalo is showing fans why she's one of the most charismatic and clever voices in South Africa's music scene. During a viral interview with content creator Luyanda Nyembe on 20 January 2026, she was asked to hint at her performance booking fee using a luxury car comparison. And instead of giving a straight answer, Zee turned it into an unforgettable moment, singing, "I could buy a Polo Vivo. Today I arrived in a Polo Vivo." When the interviewer pressed for numbers, she playfully listed figures like 180k, 160, maybe 120, with a 60 discount, showing once again her wit and confidence. Beyond the curiosity about the fee itself, it's Zee's bubble personality, sharp humor, and ability to engage fans that are making headlines, proving she's not just about the music, she's also mastering the art of branding herself as a bold, entertaining, and unmissable star in the industry. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.